Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to our recorded class, Yumika. And this time, we have also our date today, December 9, 2024. This is our calendar for today's date. Again, our date today is December 9, 2024. So if we start counting here for one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and our date. It is here, December 9, 2024. And it falls on a Monday because today it is a Monday. Let me erase the writings on the screen and I'll move on to our numbers. So how about we practice counting from 1 to 30? So are you ready? I'll check the number for you and we can count together for our numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So here we have our numbers 1 to 30. Now that we finished counting for 1 to 30, I'm going to erase the writings on the screen and let's move on to preparing our board. So I want you to get your board, your whiteboard marker, and eraser. Done already getting your things? Because this time we are going to trace for our letters. I am going to write it on the screen here alongside our tracing letters here. And you get to write it practicing on your board. So how about let's do our letter friend here. What letter am I showing you? It is for the letter A. So we have two kinds of A. Remember, capital A and lowercase letter A. So how about we do our A? Pull down twice from the top, add a seat to view the apple crop, capital A. That's how you write A. So when we write our capital A, the big letter A, pull down twice from the point at the top. Add a seat to view the apple crop, that's capital A. Next, your lowercase a. The airplane flies around and down. Makes a letter A, then goes out of town. So on your lowercase a, how do we make it? The airplane flies around, up, and down. Makes the letter A, then goes out of town. So we have again capital A and lowercase letter A. That's how you write both letter A's. Did you do it also? Then if you are done with this one, I will erase the writings on the screen. Let's move on to another letter. Remember, the letters that we have for this review are alligator letters. So how about after the letter A, we'll do letter C. So how do we make letter C? It's easy to make a C, you see, like a smile, big and wide, turned on its side, that's capital C. So let's do capital letter C. It's easy to make a C, you see, like a smile, big and wide, turned on its side, capital C. Cool cars go down, curvy C. So how about lowercase c? Cool cars go down, curvy C. Stop on your way up, that's the key. Lowercase c. So again, small letter C. Cool cars go down, curvy C. Stop on your way up, That's the C. So we have capital C and the lowercase letter C. Now that we're done doing our letter C's, Yumika, let's go erase the writings on the screen and we'll move on to another letter. One of our alligator letters. Let's check them. It is the letter E. So letter E begins with your name. Let's start with our capital letter E. Pull straight down for capital E, then add some shelves. One, 2, and 3. So that's your capital E. E for the elephant, big letter E. So how about on my board and on your board? Let's write capital E. Line down. Pull straight down for capital E. Then add 3 shelves. 1, 2, and 3. That's capital E. Now, let's move on to another letter E. This time, it's the lowercase e. Small e is an egg on a plate for me. Add a line out and around. It's easy, you see. So we have our lowercase letter E. So let's do lowercase e. Small e is an egg on a plate just for me. Add a line out and around, and it's easy, you see. So we have your letter E, capital E, just like in Yumika, lowercase e, like in our word egg. So here we have letter E. Now, another letter. Let's erase on the screen. And maybe on your board, you need to erase it too. Because what's the next letter that is also an alligator letter, a small letter that you write under the dotted line? So what letter could it be? After E, let's do letter I. Remember I, like in ice cream and in iguana? Let's do capital I first. Big I starts with one side of a door. All it needs is a roof and a floor. So you have your capital letter I. Let's do capital I. Big I starts with one side of a door. All you need is a roof and a floor. So that's your capital letter I. Now, what about for your lowercase I, the small I? Little I is an ice cream cone at the treat shop. So one line down and a sprinkle on top. So let's do lowercase I. Little I is an ice cream cone at the treat shop. The one line down and a sprinkle on top. So we have our capital letter I. Let's erase this one and let's jump to another letter. What do you think is another alligator letter? Let's go to what letter? The one with the sound? Letter M. So this time, Yumika, we're going to make capital letter M. M starts at the top with a straight line down. Then the top go down, up, down like a silly little frown. That's capital M. So let's make our capital M. We traced it already. Start with a line down, then at the top, go down, up, and down like a silly little frown. That's your capital letter M. Now, what about for another one this time? Let's do another M, the lowercase m. Go down, hit the ground, then add humps. 2 humps. 1, 2. Just like the monkeys who are ready to jump. So that's how you make your lowercase m. Okay, let's go do M. Lowercase m. Go down, hit the ground, then add 2 humps. A 1 and a 2. Like the monkeys who are ready to jump. So when I tell you to make your letter M, it's like the monkeys jumping up. It can also be like the mountains that are high, going up to make humps. Now, I am going to erase this one. Another letter that we will need to write is for the letter N. So let's do N. N starts with a line going straight to the ground. Go back up, slant a line, and go up, there's no messing around. That's capital N. So let's do capital N again. N starts with a line going straight to the ground. A slant, a line, and go up. There's no messing around. That's capital N. What about the next one? Your letter N, lowercase n. So little n holds a bird in a nest. Straight line down, then around for the rest. So again, let's do letter N, lowercase n. Little n holds a bird in a nest. Straight line down, then around for the rest. We have capital N and the lowercase letter n. And both have the n sound. Now, after n, we have our letter O, one of the easiest letters to make. Capital O, around and around we go. That's the way to make an O. Let's do capital O, big O. Around and around we go. That's the way to make an O. Capital letter O. Now, what about for the next letter? It's the lowercase o. Oh, yum! An orange to eat. Nice and round. It's a healthy treat. So we have our lowercase o. Let's do lowercase o. Oh, yum! An orange to eat. Nice and round. It's a healthy treat. So we have our capital O and the lowercase letter O. Now, how about since I'm done with our capital O and lowercase o, let's jump to our letter R. So first draw a line and then a rainbow, add a ram, and you're ready to go. Capital R. Let's do capital R again. First draw a line, then a rainbow, add a ram, and you're ready to go. Capital R. Excuse me. Sorry. There's something wrong with teacher's voice. But I'm going to move to the next part. And that is to do our lowercase letter R. So how do we make our letter R? Small r is a rocket ship that makes a little swerve. To make it, draw a line, go back up, and add a curve. Lowercase r. Again, small r is a rocket ship that makes a little swerve. To make it, you draw a line, go back up, and add a curve, lowercase r. So those are the letters that we did for your work on the screen. The letter A going down to R, some of our alligator letters. So we have A, C, E. Then there's I, M, N, O, and the letter R. Now let's jump to the next part. And how about for our uh, work here? I have to let you view the work for today. So here we have our first day of assessment review. So I'll let you view this one first so that you can find your work. But I'll be skipping and I'll have to review you again about the things that begin with these letters, okay? So please prepare the following worksheets. These are the work that you will need to do for today, okay? Did you have all the work and have done fixing your things there? We will go back to having our lesson, okay? I'll have to jump to the beginning sound. So we'll find things that begin with the letter A, the ones with the A sound. So what are these pictures that has the A sound? Remember, the sound of A is A, the sound of A is A. All the letters make a sound, the sound of A is A. So what has the A sound? Do we circle for our globe or the planet Earth? The teddy bear, the key, or the apple? Apple begins with a sound. So let's circle this one. Now, sometimes A has the A sound like in apron, like in angel. So, what are some things with A sound? Can we circle for camera, fish, airplane, or the glasses? It should be what? Let me circle. I think it's the airplane. Airplane begins with the letter A. Okay, next one. Let's jump to another set. Now, what picture begins with the letter A? Are we going to circle for astronaut, the trumpet, ice cream, or cat? It's going to be astronaut. Astronaut begins with A. Okay, how about another one? Hat, acorn, kite, or ladybug? It's going to be acorn. So those are some things that has the a sound and the a sound for the letter A. Next, let's jump to our letter C, the one with the k sound. Let's circle for things that begin with C. In the first row, are we going to circle for dog, camera, grapes, or strawberry? It should be camera, the one that you use for taking pictures. Next, what goes in C? Carrot, dinosaur, pizza, or watch? It's going to be carrot. Let's circle for carrot. Next, is it going to be zipper, frog, car, or horse? It is car for the letter C. What else begins with C? A train, the night, the lamb, or the cat? It's going to be cat that begins with C. We're done with the letter C. Let me erase. What about we jump to the next one? And that is for our letter E. The things that begin with E sometimes has the sound, short E, and the long E sound like in the country Egypt. Or maybe another E word is eel and electricity. So what begins with E? Football, elephant, dinosaur, or lightning? It's going to be elephant. Next, watch, ice cream, roller skates, or envelope. Envelope begins with E. What else begins with E? A rat, a turtle, the eye, or the kettle? It is the I that begins with the letter E. What else begins with E? Ear, fish, toothbrush, or volleyball? It is what? Ear begins with the letter E. So these are things that begin with the letter E. Let's erase this one and let's jump to another one. This time it is for the I with the I sound. Okay, what do we circle for I? Sometimes I has the I sound like in icicles, like in island. That's for long I. But for short I, it is ik sound like in iguana, like in insect. So what goes in I? Do we circle for earth, ice cube, key, or fish? It's ice cube. Next, what do we circle for I? Camera, iron, teddy bear, or glasses? It is iron that begins with the letter I. Next one, what begins with I? Ice cream, trumpet, fish, or cat? It is ice cream that begins with I. Next one, another I word. Hat, kite, igloo, or ladybug. Sound. It's going to be what? Igloo for the letter I. Now that we're done with our eyes, let's erase and let us jump to our letter M. And remember, the sound, letter M, sound, letter M. What begins with M? Monkey, elephant, dinosaur, or octopus? It's going to be monkey. Monkey begins with M. Next, watch, ice cream, map, or envelope. It is map that begins with M. Another set, will it be the moon, the turtle, the eye, or the kettle? It is the moon. You see the moon during nighttime. Next one, ear, microphone, toothbrush, or football. It's going to be microphone for the letter M. Let me jump to another set, and that is for our letter N. N sound, letter N. So what goes in N? Is it for the envelope, hippo, net, or fish? Net begins with N. You get the net to catch fish. What else begins with N? Is it the fire truck, the ice cream, the nose, or the hat? Nose begins with N. Another set, another row with an N picture. Will it be necklace, flamingo, the eye? I'm so sorry. There's something wrong with teacher's screen. Let me go back. There's something wrong with it. Let's go back to our N words again. Okay, let me go back. We're in N words and we have to find the things that begin with N. In the first row, N is for the net. Another one, what else begins with N? N is also for the nose. What else is for N? N is for our necklace. You wear the necklace around your neck. And the last one, N is for the toothbrush, the nest, football, or igloo. It is going to be nest, the one that the birds go home to. That's their house. It's the nest where they lay their eggs. Now that we're done with our work for the letter N on the screen, what's the next letter that we need to find things for? It's for letter O. Now, letter O has two kinds of sound. The O sound like in oval and also for the word oatmeal. Sometimes O also has the O sound, short O sound, like in octagon and also in octopus. Now let's find things that begin with O. Do we circle for muffin, for hat, for octopus, or guitar? It's going to be octopus for the letter O. Next one. How about goat, oven, drum, or hat? It is oven. The next set. What do you think should we circle? Fish, giraffe, ladder, or owl? O is for the owl. Okay, what about for the last one? Do we circle for oval, hippo, grapes, or leaf? It is going to be oval for the letter O. Now that we have our O things, let's go to the last one. The last set that we need to answer for, it's the letter R. Remember, R has the R sound. So let's circle for things that begin with R. Do we circle for ring, for car, zipper, or dog? It's going to be the ring. R for ring. Next, what else do we circle for? Is it for the diamond, robot, kite, or the moon? It is robot for the letter R. Next, what else begins with R? Is it going to be ladybug, rocket, fish, or the duck? It is rocket for the letter R. Okay, next. What begins with R? Is it going to be turtle, the watch, dinosaur, or rainbow? Rainbow begins with R. So those are things that begin with the letter R. Now that we're done with this one, Let's go jump to the next part, and that is to do your work. So remember, I showed you the work a while ago. This will be the work that you are going to answer, okay? So if you've prepared your work, good job. And now, let's go jump to your work. The first page is to trace and write for your letters. So how about you trace for your letters here? And please do not forget to also write your name. Now, let's trace for your letter A. Capital letter A, straight line down, another line down, and line across, capital A. Lowercase a, go around, up, down. So let's go right for A. Line down, line across. And remember, alligator letter for lowercase a under the dotted line, around, up, and down. So I have here capital letter A. Now what about for our lowercase letter A? We have to go around and stop, capital A. Lowercase c, you go around and stop. So capital A, letter C, around and stop. Lowercase c, around the dotted line. Can you trace also and write properly, just like on our screen? You can see all our letters here. So capital A and lowercase a. Next, let's do capital E. Line down, add 3 shelves. 1, 2, and 3. That's capital E. Lowercase e. Line around and out. So again, capital E, line down, add 3 shelves. 1, 2, and 3. Lowercase e, around and out. Capital I, line down, add a roof and a floor. Lowercase I, line down, add a sprinkle. Let's go back. Capital I, line down, add a roof and a floor. Your lowercase I under the dotted line, line down, and a sprinkle. So here you have to do your capital A and C, E, and I. And also both their lowercase letters as well. Now that if you're done with this work, you can now move to the next page. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's erase the writings on this screen and let's move on to the next. I have here our next set of alligator letters. We have letter M, N, O, and R. Now this time, please write your name and don't forget you need to also trace and write for your letters. Let's start with M. Line down, go back up, and you need to slide, go up again and down. Capital M, lowercase m, line down, make 2 humps, 1 and a 2. Let's write for M, capital M. Down, slide, up and down. Lowercase m, line down, 2 mountains, 1, 2. Oop, let's erase this one. Lowercase m. Line down 2 mountains, 1 and 2. Letter N, line down again, slide and up. Capital N, lowercase n, line down, make a hump. Capital N, line down, slide and up. Lowercase n, line down and a hump. Letter O, go around and stop, around and stop. Let's go make capital O. Around and stop. Lowercase o. Around and stop. Letter R. Line down. Make a rainbow and a ramp. Lowercase r. Line down and a rocket swerving. Capital R. Line down. Add a rainbow and a ramp. lowercase r, line down, and a rocket to swerve, letter R, lowercase r. So now we have our letter M, O, N, O, and R. If you traced and wrote it down, good job. But if you're not yet done, please pause the video. Play it again once you are done. Let's erase the writings and move to the next part. And that is also to trace our letters, and you get to paste for the picture. So I did not cut my pictures yet, but for you, you have to cut and paste them. So I will have to cut it here. So if you prepared your pictures, that's good. Please cut them so that you can also paste them for later. Now, I will fix it also on the screen so that you can see the pictures that I will be pasting, the ones that we will need to put in this page for this worksheet. So let me cut mine also. I already have the picture of the egg, the cake, the igloo, and I'm missing one more. Let me fix it. And now I have the picture of the arrow. So before we start with this work, please, I want you to write your name in the space at the top. Please write your full name, Yumika. And you get to also trace for your letters. So we have capital A, line down, line across. Lowercase a, around, up, and down. Then letter C, go around and stop. Low letter C, lowercase c, around and stop. Capital E, line down, add three shelves, 1, 2, and 3. Lowercase e, line around and out. Capital I, line down, add a roof and a floor. Lowercase I, line down and a sprinkle. So we found our letters, fix them and trace them. Now let's paste for the pictures that go beside them. So letter A has the A sound. What picture begins with letter A? The one with A sound. Do we paste for egg or arrow? Egg or arrow? It's going to be arrow for the letter A. What about for C, the one with the K sound? What can we paste? It's for letter C for cake. Cake begins with the letter C. Okay, another one. What about we do another picture, the one with the E sound? What picture should go in letter E? It is going to be egg. Egg begins with the letter E. Next one. How about for the last picture? You will have to put it in igloo. Igloo for letter I. So let's check. Let's look at the pictures here. Do we have the same answer? We have A for arrow, C for cake, E for egg, and I for the igloo. Okay, now that we are done with these, can we move on to the next part? If you are done, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. I'll jump to the last page, the last part. So here we have our letters M, N, O, N, R. Now, there's something wrong again with teacher's picture. Just like what we have here, you get to also paste, okay? Cut and paste. So let me fix my picture. I'll have to move around and fix this one. See? I have the picture of the robot. You have to cut also your pictures there, okay? I have the picture of the onion. I also have the picture of another letter friend here from our page. We have the man. So what do you think is the letter for man? It begins with what letter? And the last one, I'm missing one more here. I'll get to also fix for our necklace. Necklace begins with N. You wear a necklace around your neck. Okay, done already with our pictures. I have it here on the screen. Now, how about we go do our work here? This time, write your name in the space, Yumika, and you need to trace for your letters. So let's start with our letter M, capital M. Line down, go back up, slide, up and down. Lowercase m, line down, and two mountains, 1 and 2. Letter N, line down, go back up, slide, and up. Lowercase n, line down and make a hump. Letter O, around like an orange stop. Around like an orange stop. Letter R, line down, a rainbow to the side and a ramp. Lowercase r, line down, go back up, make a rocket and swerve. Okay, what are some things that begin with these pictures? With these letters, sorry, with letter M. Let's start with M, the one with the sound. Man begins with M. So let's put man here. Next one. How about for N sound? Is it robot or necklace? Necklace begins with the letter N. N sound, necklace. Another one after necklace, the one with O sound. O is for the onion. Onion begins with the letter O. And the last one, the one with the R sound. Robot begins with the letter R. So these are the things that we need to look out for. Pictures that you need to paste in the right place. So M for man, N for necklace, O for onion, and R for the robot. And now this will be the last work for today's class. And I hope that you finish it for today, Yumika. It's easy to do the work for today. I know you can do it, okay? And this time, let me give the sticker friend for you because you did a good job for finishing the work. Here I have Bini Maloy again, and I want you to check for the sticker friend that I'm going to give you. And this time, I will put a heart around the number 2 sticker friend. She's holding a cat. And this one, I'll choose it for you. And I hope that you finish the work today, Yumika. I will see you again in our next class. And bye-bye.